What is up? It is Blaximus here at VGMX, and I have the dirtiest working PlayStation that I have ever encountered right here. So I did test it.
It might work.
No, it works. It works. I tested it.
But not, you know, there's still like after cleaning.
So I gotta clean it up, and hopefully I don't damage it in the cleaning process.
Things are worthless.
Calm down, Jeremy. I'm not exactly new at this, and I make a lot of mistakes, but I mean, I can take it to PS3. All right, like, and this PS3 came.
We'd probably still take it.
This
in,
PS3 came
like
from Uncle
$14.
Tim. Uncle Tim, I am not happy with you. And I don't know how you let this get to this state, but I blame you. This is on you. But yeah, we're gonna clean it up, so enjoy the video, and hopefully this works after we're done. I don't even know how I'm gonna get into all these nooks and crannies. A lot of nooks and crannies in here. Done.
Looking good.
All right, we got this guy cleaned. I actually still need to clean some, so yeah, you know, it still needs a little bit more work. We don't do any, like, we don't crack open any of the consoles, so to like get the dirt out of like far down in there is kind of hard. So that's why that's sticking, because it's just a little.
Max blew it out.
Still down.
So you got some more blowing to do. You gotta blow out the system.
I just gotta blow some more out of here. All right, so I just wanted to double check and make sure that it's working after, like, we've gotten like 85% of the crud out of there. Yeah, I was using the compressor for like, I'm gonna say 10 or 15 minutes trying to get all the dirt out of there, but
blow harder, Max. think I just ruined your whole video.
Yeah, you really did, but that's cool. All right, starting up. It's always a good sign.
Unable to read disc.
Before using... Jeremy, why are you trying to jinx me, bro? Like, all right, it's working. It still works. Yes. Okay. But, yeah, all right. This is looking pretty good. That's going to do it for this one. I've been Blaximus. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for notifications. Get notified whenever we put out new videos. And we'll catch you guys later.
Womp womp.
What is up? It is Blacksmith here at VGMX. All right, here we go. Cancel that one. Doing a real one. Real time. Here we go.
Real canceled.
Yeah,
Riley.
Canceled. Super
Not
canceled.
Like, hey, let's think you realize.
Watch these flipping.
VGMX.
Wait, you can't use that word.
Riley's supposed to be cutting this out.
Isn't it